Hello everyone. Many people believe that English is for only city students. As if I live in a village, I cannot speak fluent English. But let me tell you the truth. I am from village background and now I am speaking English. Then why you are thinking like why you are feeling like you are from village background and I will not have any coaching centers. I will not have any English speaking environment. No, don't think like that because your location does not decide your fluency, but your practice does. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how a villager can speak fluent English. So just try to watch this video till the end. Definitely, we are going to learn a lot of stuff out of it. So let's just directly come to the point. The first point which I wanted to discuss about, first of all, we have to remove the thought, which is like I am from village background. I will not have any English speaking environment. I don't have any English speaking friends and I will not have any coaching center. Literally, many of the people are believing like this. Many of the people are thinking like this, having no English speaking environment, etc. etc. First of all, we have to remove that thought and we have to change our mindset, right? So, even most of the English learners are living in city, but they are also not able to speak English very fluently. What is your answer for this question? So first of all, we need to remove that. We need to change our mindset, thinking about I am not from English medium background. I am from a village. I live in a rural background. So that is the reason I am not able to speak fluent English. If you are always thinking like this, you are just only giving an excuse. I would say because excuse doesn't work in fluency. Excuse doesn't work in getting fluency in English, right? Only practice matters a lot in getting a fluency, even if you're from village, even if you're from city, even if you're from wherever. But are you practicing enough or not? Are you putting your 100% efforts to learn this language or not? So this is the only thing matters a lot. Okay, so this is the first point which I wanted to discuss about. So at least from now, don't think at all about I'm not from city background. I live in a village. I don't have anyone to practice with. I don't have any coaching center to learn English. No, you can learn English. You can achieve fluency at alone, right? But you have to realize that you have to shift your mindset like that. Second point which I wanted to discuss about, use your life, use your village background to practice English every single day. Yes, you heard me right. What you have to do is just instead of thinking like I'm not from city background, I don't have anyone to speak with. You can use your village life. Yes. So wherever you're going, whatever you're doing, it could be work or it could be studies, it could be a workplace, whatever you're doing. So just to try to speak about that object, try to speak about that particular situation, try to use the situation to speak English, right? So for an example, you're going to your field, right? So just speak like that. I'm going to my field. I'm walking and I'm enjoying the environment. I'm enjoying the nature. So tomorrow I'll have another work. So just try to describe your life, right? So just try to describe your day. So just to try to use that particular situation to practice English. And so you literally don't need to have anyone to speak with you. Okay, you can improve your English at alone. But lot of English learners are thinking like we need another person to practice with. No. So because if you think like that, everybody has to have an English speaking partner. But it is not possible for everyone because as we live in a rural background, we have to create our situations, we have to shift our mindset to practice English at ourselves, right? So this is the second thing which I wanted to discuss about. Create your own English environment. This is the third thing which you have to do at alone. Okay, so because as we live in a rural background, as we live in a village, will not have that environment. It's for sure that is acceptable, but that is the truth. But if you keep getting if we keep giving lot of excuses, it doesn't work. It doesn't improve. It doesn't improve our fluency. Okay, first of all, we have to believe that we can speak English. Okay, so just try to consume lot of information in English. Just try to watch a lot of English movies, podcasts. I try to read a lot of books. Okay, just try to listen to many of the English music, whatnot. There is a lot of stuff is out there. If you open a YouTube, you will get plenty of videos related to English, how to speak English, how to practice English, including with my. So that is the reason I'm telling in my video. So first of all, you have to be ready to consume. Okay, you have to be ready to explore yourself to English language every single day without giving any excuse and without saying any silly reasons. Okay, not only you, everybody is facing a problem with not having any English speaking partner, not having any English speaking environment. But lot of English learners are already achieved fluency in English, including with me. Then why you can't speak English? Then why you can't achieve fluency in English? This is my question. So at least from today, just try to consume lot of information and just try to create that English speaking environment, right? Even if you no one speaks with you, so just try to speak with yourself, right? So just try to record lot of videos. Even if you don't want to upload those videos in any other platforms, it is okay, because recording videos will help you to analyze your progress, how you spoke 1 month before and how you spoke after 1 month. If you keep recording your videos every single day, at least for 2 to 3 minutes, you can analyze your progress, and automatically you will be able to rectify all your mistakes what you did while speaking in that video. So then you can easily rectify all of those mistakes. So standing and go in front of a mirror and having a conversation also helps you a lot. But we will not use any of these techniques, and we will not use any kind of these habits. But how can we improve English? Okay, you are from English, you are from a village background, and you won't have anyone to speak with, but at least you have to do at least these, right? Why you are not understanding? So this is my question. Lot of English village people have already achieved fluency in English. So if you keep giving an excuse that I am not from English, I am not from a city background, just don't say this anymore, at least from today. Okay, so the final point which I wanted to discuss about, start speaking simple English. Yes, these days lot of English learners are focusing on speaking very fast and speaking with full of perfection. If you keep giving, if you are still focusing on perfection, if you are still focusing on